Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Very good morning to all of you. After achieving Fajr Salah, I decided I will recite Surah Al-Fatihah. So do not further any delay, let's get started. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. In the name of Allah, the entirely merciful, the specially merciful. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. All praises due to Allah, Lord of the worlds. Ar-Rahmanir Rahim. The entirely merciful, the especially merciful. Maliki Yawmiddin. Sovereign of the day of recompense. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. It is you we worship and you we ask for help. Ihdina siratal mustaqim. Guide us to the straight path. Siratal ladina an'amta alayhim. The path of those upon whom you have bestowed favor. Ghayril maghzubi alayhim wala dhalin. Not of those who have evoked your anger or of those astray. So my respected viewers, my intellectual audience, these are the verses taken from the Holy Quran's first Surah Al-Fatihah, right? So firstly I am mentioning that I am not an Islamic scholar, not so educated, even I am not able to study or read the whole Quran properly, right? But I can honestly talk that I know the Surah Al-Fatihah, not deeply or briefly, not properly, but trying to read, trying to learn, right? And I'm trying to share it with you guys. So if something knowledge you get, so please like and dua for me, right? And by this cap and beard, I'm not proving that I'm a very good Islamic scholar or a very good Muslim, nothing else. Knowingly or unknowingly, I also do mistakes. But the good thing is, pray Allah that Allah forgive us, right? That's the greatest virtue, I think. You just used to say, Allahumma innaka afuun tuhibbul afwa fa'fu anni. Allah, you like to forgive, right? So please forgive us. I think that you will be benefited and that will purify our heart. So if you something get knowledge or you something inspired by this video, so like, comment and share. That's it today. Love you all. See you soon. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.